Hello everybody, in this video today I'm going to go through with you the phase 3 phonic sounds. In this video there are going to be some single sounds called phonemes and also some digraphs as well as some trigraphs. Join in with me. J, 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 like jelly on a plate. V, driving a van. W, w, like the wind. X, like an X-ray. Y, y, eating a yogurt. Z, the sound a buzzy bee makes. This is a digraph. Z. When you see this, it's a digraph, which means two letters that make just one sound. So rather than saying z, z, you just say it once. Z. Now we're going to focus on more digraphs. Two letters put together make one sound. This is the digraph qu. And with this digraph, we put our hands like this. We pretend it's like a beak. Qu, qu. A duck quacking. This is the sound ch. You put your hands like this, like a train chewing down the track. Ch, ch, ch. Shh, shh. That means to be quiet. This sound makes two sounds. This digraph makes two sounds, I mean. So what you do with this one is you poke your tongue out a little bit and say v, and then a bit further for the second sound, ng, like a strong person lifting up a heavy box. A, what did you say? E, I. This is a trigraph. Three letters all together make one sound. O, like in the word oh dear. This digraph makes two sounds as well. And oo, like in a cuckoo clock. Oo. Or. Okay, this is where we put our two hands like this. Or. R. Like you're mixing something up, a mixer. This is another way to say the sound a mixer. It's got the same action, it's just spelt differently. Ow! Ow! Like you've pricked your finger. Oi! Oi! Oi, over there. Ear. And this is actually the way you spell the word ear. Ear. I can hear you. Hear. This is the sound ear. Air. A hot air balloon. And the last one, you're watching this video. Well done. I hope you enjoyed listening to all of the phase 3 sounds.